guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be talking about the Boeing Starliner spacecraft launch to the International Space Station. This is an uncrewed mission and this is the orbital flight test too. More information on what the spacecraft is going to be later in the video if you want to learn about that. So let's go ahead and okay, so here we have the GFS model. So we're seeing Titus fill down here. So we're all going to be seeing some scattered showers and possibly some isolated thunderstorms. So there's Titusville, and then so here is the launch area, I'm gonna call it. So let's just go ahead and see what it will be like. So we are saying the Cape at around 262, which is low for thunderstorms. Probably the main reason why it is showing 262 is just because of this scatter line. And the main reason why this is happening is because we have a stalled cold front. And then so we are also seeing shear at around 15 knots, which is somewhat high. It won't knock off a hurricane, or it won't knock a hurricane off, but it might cause up some more thunderstorms. So here's the H triple 664 and 17 knots. So they're showing a more of a possibility for thunderstorms. The NAM 3 kilometer 769 and 18. Right now there will be showing on the screen of all the averages for the Cape. So the average of the Cape and the average for the wind shear. So I ain't gonna make my forecast because they already did it. The United States Space Force and the 45th Weather Squadron already did it for us. So we're seeing a 60% go for launch and a 40% no-go for weather. So, the forecast discussion. No change to the forecast reasoning. A mid and upper level trough over the eastern U.S. Southwest steering flow and ample moisture will encourage scattered to numerous afternoon showers and thunderstorms over the Space Coast this week. Given the pattern, the greatest coverage of convection is expected to hold off until tomorrow and Wednesday's launch window. However, weather-related violation is still possible due to activity pushing onshore from the eastern Gulf of Mexico each morning. The primary concerns at this time, particularly toward the end of the count, are cumulus cloud and lightning rules. Cloud cover streaming over the state from storms over the eastern Gulf of Mexico will bring an added concern for a thick cloud layer rule violation. So the primary concerns are cumulus cloud rule and lightning rule. And thick cloud layer rule. So the weather/visibility, isolated storms, and 7 models. Temperature and humidity is 87 degrees Fahrenheit at 72% humidity. The ground winds are 190 degrees. At 190 degrees, so that is westish. At 15 to 19 knots. Clouds, cumulus, scattered, base 3,000 and tops 10,000, and cirrus clouds will be broken at around 22, from 22 to 28. Cirrus don't really do much. The main clouds that we need to look at are cumulus. The solar activity is low. And then 24 hours later, it's literally all the exact same. Mostly the exact same. So the weather visibility, isolated storms up to 7 miles. The temperature and humidity, 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 76% humidity. The ground winds are west at 14 to 18 knots. The cumulus are scattered at from 3,000 to 10,000 feet, and then cirrus are broken from 18 to 22,000 feet. And scattered means not the entire cloud length, but most of the clouds that you see at a quick little spot and broken or spaced out, you could call cirrus clouds. And the additional risk criteria is for solar activity is low. So the probability of violation, or POV, is the chance that the lightning launch comet criteria, or LCC, or solar user constraints, surface winds, precipitation, and temperatures, etc., will be violated during the launch window. It does not take into account upper level wind shear and solar activity. The next forecast will be issued as necessary. So let's actually learn about the launch. So NASA, Boeing, and United Launch Alliance now are targeting 1:20 p.m. EDT Tuesday, August 3rd for launch of the Orbital Flight Test Flight, or OF2, with the International Space Station ready for the arrival of Starliner spacecraft. NASA's live launch coverage begins at 12:30. Docking is targeted for 1:37 Wednesday, August 4th. 12:30 p.m. and then 1:37 p.m. OF2, Boeing's second uncrewed flight, is designed to test the end-to-end capabilities of the new system for NASA's Commercial Crew program. So let's learn more on Everyday Astronaut. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I am. So, liftoff will be August 3rd, 2021 at 1:20 and 18 seconds CDT. Mission name is CST-100 Starliner Orbital Flight Test 2, or OFT2, CST-100 Starliner uncrewed on the Alice 5 and 22. The launch provider is United Launch Alliance, or ULA. The customer who is paying for is Boeing. The rocket is Atlas 5 and 22. The launch location is Space Launch Complex 41, or SLIC 41, from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida, United States. The payload mass is 13,200 kilograms, or 29,100 pounds. It will rendezvous with the ISS at around 400 kilometers at LEO low Earth orbit at a 51.6 degree inclination. No, this is not a capability for ULA to be recovering the first stage. The first stage will land in the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlas 5 and 22 does not have any new fairings, and all these fairings new, not applicable, just because there is no fairings. So the weather's looking currently for 60% go for launch as of August 2nd, 2021 at 12 UTC. This will be the second launch of the Atlas 5 in the N-22 configuration, the 73rd orbital launch attempt of 2021, the 145th ULA mission, and the 88th Atlas 5 mission. And ready to launch the official Boeing live stream, the NASA live stream, and all links will be in the description. And I don't know if ULA is going to have a live stream. If so, then it'll also be down there. So Boeing is prepared to repeat the first orbital flight test of the Starliner spacecraft was failed to dock with the ISS in 2019 following 5 clock or Met clock. Met clock. The spacecraft. So, future Vanderpeer, I just want to say sorry that the video got cut. It was the converter's fault, not mine. Sorry about that. But I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I create another video. Bye bye. Stay safe.